Hello everyone, Indira Securities introduces its new mobile trading application platform. This new app is loaded with smart analytical features like user-friendly UI, real-time analysis. With this app, you can track your favorite index and stocks on a real-time basis. You can even see the events, news recommendations and analysis of any stock with key stats and market pulse in just one click. Get valuable screeners, track your portfolio's performance at any time from anywhere. Support eDIS process, add and withdraw funds at no time. You can easily get daily stock recommendations in the app. With this app, you can do your technical analysis on charts. Not only this, you can even perform fundamental analysis on any stock. You can customize your app's view into dark and light theme as per your preference. You can even update your KYC and apply for IPOs from there only. This app is highly secure with the latest technology available, where you will not only be protected with MPIN and passwords, but can also set up your own fingerprint security layer. To download this app, please visit Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. Thanks for watching.